What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Shine On Network episode of Just the Tip. Today, we're going to be talking about why to use the highest quality products. Now, here at Menard Premium Detailing, we are all about Car Pro, Tuga, basically anything that's sold on Sky's the Limit. And the reason around that is the better quality product that they use is the better quality result that's going to come out at the end of it. When it comes down to your products, less is more. That's what we like to use. So, a product of Elixir, this whole bottle is going to last you, say, 10, 15 cars, while another product that might have higher dilution ratios, meaning there's more water in it than actual product, those products might get you 2 to 3 car washes. So when it's coming down to what products to use, make sure you're going with a super high quality brand that will make your life way easier. Now, if you're not sure what products to use, obviously just come in here, look at some of our other videos on how to wash your car, how to wax your car, how to spray it down with some great sealants like Reload and like Hydro O2. Same thing with your wheels. Spending something like 30 bucks on a wheel cleaner sounds crazy, but this is going to make your life a lot easier, and that's what we like to do here. We like to make life as easy as possible, the wash process as easy as possible, the end result to be the greatest it could possibly be. So, tip of the day is use high quality products. Thanks as always, guys. Keep shining.